Today I'm diving into my real experience using Discover student loans for refinancing. The platform claims competitive rates and a straightforward application process, but I wanted to see how it actually performs. Starting with the homepage, it's immediately clear that Discover pushes its no-fee policy as a major selling point. No application fees, no origination fees, and no late fees. That's appealing, especially when you're comparing multiple refinancing options. Navigating to the refinance section is simple, with clearly labeled menus and concise content. The design is clean, though slightly bland, and lacks some of the personalization you find with other financial tech platforms. Still, usability is solid. I went ahead and started a refinance application to test how smooth the process really is. The form requires a fair bit of information up front. Personal details, current loan balances, income, but this is typical for any legitimate refinance lender. One of the positives I noticed was the pre-qualification process. It uses a soft credit check, which means it doesn't affect your credit score. A big relief if you're rate shopping across multiple lenders. Discover provided a rate quote within minutes, though I found the range slightly higher than a few other lenders I compared at the same time. Customer service was responsive when I reached out with questions. I used their live chat, and although I had to wait about 5 minutes to get connected, the representative was knowledgeable and answered my questions about cosigner release and repayment flexibility. That said, they don't offer as many options as some of the newer fintech players. There are no income-driven repayment plans or unique borrower perks. Many useful links you can find in the description. One area where Discover does shine is in their educational resources. The site includes calculators, FAQs, and detailed articles on student loan topics. However, these are fairly standard and don't stand out unless you're new to student loan refinancing. The dashboard experience after application approval is okay, not particularly modern but functional. It allows you to set up autopay, track your loan balance, and contact support. I would have liked to see more intuitive tools here for managing loans over time. Overall, Discover Student Loans is a decent option for refinancing, especially if you value stability and don't want to deal with any fees. But it may not be the most competitive in terms of interest rates or tech-forward features. If you're someone who prefers a more modern digital experience or wants highly flexible repayment options, you might want to consider other lenders. Still, for those who trust big names and want a straightforward process, Discover might just be a good fit. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest breakdowns of financial tools and services.